Hello children, today we are going to learn the name of the 12th month of the year in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Month of the year. The first month of the year, January, January. Second month of the year, February, February. Third month of the year, March, March. Fourth month of the year, April. Fifth month of the year, May. Sixth month of the year, June. Seventh month of the year, July. Eighth month of the year, August. Ninth month of the year, September. Tenth month of the year, October. 11th month of the year, November. 12th month of the year, December. Very good children. Thank you for watching. Children, please subscribe and watch the next video. Colors name, days of week, pictures name A to Z, 1 to 100. Okay, bye bye and subscribe.